A pleasant day, everyone. I'm Jonelyn Panto from Oton Central Elementary School, teaching grade 2. My topic to be discussed today is all about guiding principles and features of K-12 curriculum. Outcome standard competency based. What the learner's knowing can do are clearly stated in the form of standard unpacked competencies. Comprehensive systematic M&E system. Learner-centered. The learner is the reason of the entire curriculum. The learner's totality and needs are highly considered in the making of the K-12 curriculum framework. Seamless. The K-12 curriculum consists of continuum of competencies which provides transition from one grade to another without unnecessary duplication. Developmentally appropriate. The K-12 curriculum considers the various developmental stages in selection of activities such as age appropriateness, individual differences, social and cultural diversity, constructivist, balanced assessment. The K-12 curriculum has a balanced assessment. It makes appropriate use of both traditional and authentic tools, such as self-assessment, formative assessment, and summative assessment. Value-laden. The curriculum offers a subject in values education with the descriptive title, Edukasyon sa Pagpapakatao. The learner learns and develops a value-driven environment where everyone is respected. Decongested and enriched. Allow mastery of competencies, emphasis to the development of student understanding, learning how to learn, and repetition of competencies are weeded out. Len but meaty. Inclusive. The vision statement of Department of Education states, "We affirm the right of every Filipino child, especially the less advantaged, to benefit from such system." Integrative. Flexible. The flexibility of the curriculum is in keeping with the constitutional mandate of schools. Inquiry-based. We have also the pedagogical approaches. We have 5. Constructivist, inquiry-based, reflective, collaborative, integrative. Number 1. Constructivist. Teaching of all the subjects is anchored on the belief that the learner is not an empty receptacle or is mere recipient of instruction. Rather, the learner is an active constructor of knowledge and a maker of meaning. Number 2. Inquiry-based. The curriculum ensures that the learners have the opportunity to examine concepts, issues, and information in various ways and from various perspectives. It provides them opportunities to develop skills of creative and critical thinking, informed decision-making, hypothesis building, and problem solving. Number 3. Reflective. Reflective teaching means making the learners look what they do in the classroom, think about what they do it, and think about if it works. Number 4. Collaborative. Learning is a social activity and so must be collaborative. Learning is innovative, associated with connection with other human beings, like classmates, teachers, peers, family, as well as the community. And number 5, integrative. Subject matter is taught using interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary approach. Mother tongue-based multilingual education. First, mother tongue is taught as a learning and it is used as a language of instruction from kindergarten to grade 3. Next, oral fluency in Filipino start in the first semester of grade 1. Third, oral fluency in English is introduced in the second semester and will continue until grade 2. K-12 modeling. What are the expected outputs and outcomes? First, establish strengthened partnership with major industries in providing opportunities for employment, on-the-job training, and dual training system. Second, ascertain best possible models replicable by schools implementing senior high school. Third, test different implementation schemes according to school curricular offering and preference. Fourth, strengthen model school to appropriate interventions like training for teachers and provision of instruction materials. Fifth, prepare and carry out the communication plan to generate support from media, civil society, academe, LGUs, and private sectors. We are going to differentiate old curriculum from the new curriculum. We have it 7. Number 1, passive learners. In the new curriculum, active learners. Learner involvement. Number 2, examination driven. In the new curriculum, continuing evaluation. Number 3, rates of special learning. In the new curriculum, critical thinking, reflection, and active learning. Number 4, content-based. In the new curriculum, learner-centered learning facilitation, group, and teamwork. Number 5, lecturer-centered and textbook-bound. In the new curriculum, learning programs serve as guide for innovative and creative learning. Number 6, syllabus-bound, rigid, and non-negotiable. In the new curriculum, learner responsible for learning, motivated, and continuing evaluation and feedback. And number 7, emphasis on achievements. While in the new curriculum, they give emphasis on outcome, what the learner knows, can do, and understand. Conclusion. As teachers, we are all like pencils. We go a lot of sharpening. We are used and sometimes abused. No matter what, we will always leave a mark. That's the end of my presentation. Thank you, and once again, a pleasant day.